Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Justin Lin of Rehab and Revive Physical Therapy. We have Albert guest starring today as part of this demonstration. But what we're going to talk about today is actually how to correct or self-correct this pelvis being out of alignment. A lot of people, because they sit all day, have difficulties and some back pain too related to this pelvis being rotated. And a quick way to check for most physical therapists is to put their thumbs at the bottom of the front of their pelvis. So you want to be right here, and you can kind of see quickly that Albert's right side is descended or rotated forward, what we would call it. So it's rotated forward, and what would show in the long run or in the whole system of Albert's body is a longer leg on the right side. And so for some of you that have to tailor your pants differently, sometimes it might be your pelvis that's causing it and it's not a true leg length. This is more of a functional leg length because things are out of alignment because you crossed your legs or you're sitting on one side, one butt cheek more than the other. So, and this also is a way to confirm his right side is longer. So at home or whenever you're free, you're going to grab a stick and a nice something sturdy. It's not going to break. So I'm going to hand Albert the stick. So the stick actually goes under the longer leg. So okay, right here. And then the other leg, you're going to create a little tabletop, Albert. Great, perfectly. That's good. So what's going to happen is the one leg that's on top, so you can do this at home, whichever is long, is the one that's going to push down or away from his body. And the other one's going to come up towards his head. Okay, go ahead and push. And you're going to hold that for 5 seconds, 5 times. Now make sure you have this approved by your physical therapist or a doctor, but this is a really good way to adjust using your own muscles. It's using the opposing hamstring muscle here to drop this pelvis and the hip flexor muscle. So it's going to try to crank it back into that perfect alignment. Now we're going to relax a little bit and we'll do this a couple more times. Go ahead. So it's a push-pull. This is called a muscle energy technique, and you can see that's the muscles pulling on the joints because they're connected to the joint. Very good. Good. One more time. Excellent. So this is good self-correction. If you're feeling that lower back pain area in the center of your back, go ahead and relax. Good. Let me take this stick from you, and let's see if that worked for Albert. And perfect, right here, and it's aligned, and I could double check that with the bottom of his legs as well. Thank you very much.